Hazrat Humayd narrates that he heard Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu saying, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam stayed for 3 nights in between Khaybar and Medina Munawwara and enjoyed seclusion with Hazrat Safiya radiyallahu anha. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then invited the Muslims to the wedding feast, which included neither bread nor did meat, etc. But he asked Hazrat Bilal to spread the meal's sheet, which was spread. Then dates, cheese and some ghee were placed on it. Then the Muslims said to one another, is she one of the mothers of the believers or just a slave girl? Then they said, if she is amongst the mothers of the believers, she will be asked to wail, and if she does not observe wail, it will transpire that she has been kept as a slave girl. So when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam rode, he seated Hazrat Safiya radiyallahu anhu behind him, and a sheet was erected over her. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4213.